Come on.
Thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Black Motion and Park to Franklin, Park, Sharpie, moving east at 40 miles. Coastal waters from
What the
locations in the warning include Park Forest in Williamsburg, Bergen State College, Pleasant Gap in Bollesburg, Center Hall, Potter's Mills inside Lincoln, or in Harrisonville. Following central Pennsylvania, the Pennsylvania markers 145 and 210, Interstate 7, markers 147 and 170, Interstate 147, Interstate 99 between mile markers 29 and 85. This will also impact the following major roads: Route 11, Route 22, Route 522, Route 30, Route 220, Route 322, Route 322, Route 522, State Road 26, State Road 40. Radar indicates some storms in the line are showing rotating. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as following in the short of the room. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move to a permanent building now. Service operator. Strong winds or wind damage. National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties: Blair, Center, Cumberland, Franklin, Fulton, Huntington, Erie, Snyder, and Union. Over the area, National Weather Service and State College.
Oh god. Sorry about that, guys. I'm not sure, but well, actually not that I'm not sure. It's just that because State College is on my NOAA radio office and this station is on my station, it has a very hard time staying clear, which gets annoying. But anyway, let me just show you that warning. Here we go. Holy crap, it's gigantic. Look at this. Right, this thing right here. Do you see that? That's amazingly large. There it is. That's a lot of counties. I'm not sure why State College likes to issue warnings in very large areas.
Special weather statement from your National Weather Service, issued at 12:29 p.m. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia, has activated the Skywarn Amateur Radio Network. Thunderstorms will be capable of producing damaging winds.
Alright, now let's go to weather radar from State College. Let's see. Yep, there's a warning. Alright, that'll be it, guys.